60 million years ago, the Murray-Darling Basin was still young. Boom and bust conditions have preserved it as it was. 600,000 kilometres square, the catchment spans wide. A 1,400 kilometre muddy thread of lifeblood. 60,000 years of Aboriginal people have existed here, cultivating the land in harmony with natural cycles. 200 years of European presence, farming practices from a world away. The value of the floodplains drawing settlements to remote places. Crops and livestock sustained by the river's flow. Paddle steamers laden with the land's bounty carried downstream. This exploitation of the system, growing prosperity while the river still flowed. 50 years since the cotton was grown, a demanding and thirsty crop. The industry's demands growing beyond that for which the Darling could offer. Normal flow is no longer enough to sustain agricultural needs alone. An assurance of water is now seen by changing these flows. Storing of water in weirs and dams, fragmenting the rivers and the pools. Natural cycles are halted, landscape dramatically transformed. This critical resource of which both communities and all life depends. Without seasonal floods, the plains no longer provide energy to the river. Without continuous flow, algae blooms out of control. Without a connected habitat, fish are unable to travel and to spawn. Without water given its true value, it will belong to the highest bidder. And with retrospect and understanding of how the land was used in the past, rivers can return to how they were.
Thank you.
The local people in Menindee told me that that part of the Darling is a really important place for the spawning of fish, and that the Darling provides the Murray with a lot of the fish downstream. So it's not just, water to wash up your dishes in. It's hugely important right through the Murray-Darling system. So that huge fish kill is going to impact on the number of fish down in the Murray as well. Yeah.